So good afternoon everybody, it's from Jayashree. I am from SNS College of Technology. I am from Department of Biomedical Engineering. I am going to take types of cells, okay, that is structure of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. That is what biology for engineers, it comes under this course is what biology for engineers. The types of cells, structure of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, okay. So let us see what is the specific function in each cell, okay. So let us see in detail. Cells are of two types, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So cells are of two types, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells contain a nucleus, whereas prokaryotic cells does not contain any such nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are single-ended organisms, while eukaryotic cells can be either single-ended or multi-celled. Okay, that is what this types of cells. Okay, the first one is what prokaryotic is a single-ended that lacks a membrane-bound nucleus. So mitochondria are any other organelles in the cytoplasm except ribosomes. Cell division occurs mainly by binary divisions, that is bacteria. Prokaryotic cells were the first form of life on earth. They are simpler and smaller than eukaryotic cells. Plasma membrane, these are the cell structures for the prokaryotic cells. The initial cell structure is what? Plasma membrane, which is innermost layer of this cell wall. And the cell wall is nothing but this outermost layer of this cells, and capsule is nothing but this each thin diagram, okay, and this form this plasmid, okay, this colloidal state form this plasmid, and this outer layers forms the pill, and this is what nucleoid DNA, and the small bubbles is what ribosomes, okay. So the ribosome is used to connect to the another cells, and flagellum is used to connect to the other same prokaryotic cells, okay, and cytoplasm, which is what the colloidal states of the cells, and finally this was pill. This pill shows that everything is like a heart shape, okay. Next, eukaryotic cells are specialized organelles in the cytoplasm, a membrane bound nucleus enclosing genetic material organized into chromosomes. Their cell division occur by mitosis and meiosis. Examples: plants, animals, fungi, protozoa and algae. These cells are larger than the typical prokaryotic cell and can be as much as 1000 times greater in volume. Okay. So chloroplast, nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosome, mitochondria, nucleus, nucleophone and smooth endoreticulum. This is what? This yellow shade is nothing but this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this is what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Next one, this is what the comparison of this cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So let us see the example. Prokaryotic cell is what? Bacteria, whereas eukaryotic cell is what? Algae, fungi, protozoa and animals. Next one is what? Size. 1 to 2 by 1 to 4 microM or less. It is greater than 5 micrometer in width or diameter. It is genetic system location, that is nuclear, chromatin body or nuclear materials in prokaryotic cells, whereas eukaryotic cells, nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast all are present and not bound by any nuclear membrane. One circular chromosome, okay, is what? Prokaryotic cells. It is bounded by the nuclear membrane more than one chromosome, that is what? Eukaryotic cells. Chromosome does not contain histones or no mitotic division, whereas chromosome have a histone and mitotic nuclear division. Nucleolus is absent in prokaryotic cells, whereas nucleolus is present in eukaryotic cells. Cytoplasmic structures. Mitochondria is absent in prokaryotic cells, whereas mitochondria is present in eukaryotic cells. Chlorophyll is absent in prokaryotic cells, whereas chlorophyll is present in eukaryotic cells. Golgi bodies are absent in prokaryotic cells and present in eukaryotic cells. So peptidoglycan is the cell wall for prokaryotic cells and absent in peptidoglycan. Pseudopodia is absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cells. Thank you all. Have a great day.